your premium brands, Miele, Asco, Smeg, Fisher & Paykel, Electrolux, Westinghouse, Schwagen.
We've got staff like myself with over 20 years experience in cooking.
It's got flexible delivery options as well. We can deliver to our customers' homes, we can set them up. We run our own delivery and warehouse team, and we're quicker than our competitors at doing that.
Where our strengths are is in kitchen. We've got a great appeal to the architect, the interior designer, when they're specifying an entire house for a client.
Do due diligence in regards to going through the products and probably getting the right info and then making a really calculated choice in terms of where you're going with it.
A lot of the kitchen trends now revolve around colour. So we're seeing black steel, dark stainless, both in cooking and in refrigeration.
Newton's has been around since 1933, so it actually celebrates its 90th birthday this year.
So Whitford's has been around for over 100 years now in the city market. My great-great-grandfather founded the business back in 1922.
We're involved in all the local schools around us, a lot of the local charities run by locals, for locals.
We try and give back wherever we can, so we'll donate to a lot of charities in town and sporting teams and clubs and that sort of thing to keep involved. That's a really big thing for us, yeah.